We are in Taipei, Taiwan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. Our first stop is National Taiwan Railway Museum.
This place showcases Taiwan's rich railway history through restored locomotives, vintage carriages, and interactive exhibits.
This is Geelong train station. We've been there. So in 1908 it looked like that, and then they completely changed the building in 1967, but I think I like the old one better. Before the steel bridges, some of the railways had these wooden American-style trestle bridges. So this one was in Alishan Mountain, which we went to.
This is a plaster sculpture of the ceiling.
We're gonna check out the model train. The model train has two sections. One is Taipei in the 1910s. It looks like a farm town. And then this is Taipei in the 1970s when it was more developed. But there's still no Taipei 101 and no subway. Right now we're here in Beimen, which means North Gate. I think that's the North Gate over there.
Here's a tunnel and you can see through it at an angle. It's right here. So I'm gonna see if I can scan the train coming and take a photo.
It's about to start, so they're gonna turn off the lights and the trains are gonna move. The train at night. This is the brown line, which is the one that doesn't have a driver, so we always try to be in the front when we ride on it. And it's a great line, except that the transfer to underground takes forever.
Touchy. Oh.
Look. This is a simulator of an old railway car. I think we're in a tunnel right now. This is the train we're riding in. It was the first air-conditioned train in Taiwan. These are three modes of trains: the high-speed rail, the light rail, and that's brother's favorite line, the red line.
Yeah.
Here are some historical paper tickets. And they still have paper tickets, but they look different from these.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my god.
attention please.
This little exhibit shows the railway bentos. Look how cute they look. This section is on public housing across the world.
Here's my finished apartment combo. You have to enter from the window. What's the task?
Brother and I are gonna compete to see who can put coal in faster. And that is the National Taiwan Railway Museum.
I really like all the interactive exhibits throughout this whole place, and this is probably one of the best railway museums I've ever been to. There's a lot of history, interactive activities, and overall it's pretty good.
My favorite thing was the model train because I've never seen a model train exhibit that simulates nighttime, and that was really pretty to watch. We spent many hours here, probably more hours than we should have, but this is a great place with a lot to do.
Now we're going to explore Dihua Street. If you come here during the summer, you should try to pick a day where they have the summer fireworks festival by the river because it's just right next door. This street's known for a lot of dry goods.
I've been trying to find mangosteen this whole trip, and now I found it. It's tea, mangosteen tea.
Along Dihua Street, there's a landmark of a temple. We found a street vendor that's selling pork buns, which is one of my favorite Taiwanese street foods, so we're gonna get some. Inside there's fatty pork, cilantro, peanut powder, pickled veggies, and yeah, all right, I'll take a bite. I think this is my favorite one so far.
From Thank You, we got a purple sweet potato dorayaki, something like that. Yummy.
We're waiting to cross the street to go to Dadaocheng Wharf, and it's really crowded.
Finally, we're at the Ximending district.
This feels like the Times Square of Taipei because there's a whole bunch of walking streets intersecting each other and loud music blasting and people selling things everywhere.
Stay tuned for more videos.